Gazebos are a perennial outdoor essential, expanding living space, enabling shade, airflow, and bug protection for backyards, patios, markets, and events. With models ranging from compact 10 by 10 pop-ups to expansive 13 by 13 layouts, buyers weigh setup speed, fabric protection, frame sturdiness, and included accessories.
List number 1. Crown Shades 13 by 13 Pop-Up Gazebo. This 13 by 13 base with a canopy of 13 by 13 delivers a generous 169 square feet of shade, with an interior ceiling height exceeding 9 feet, enabling comfortable standing space. It uses a patented one-push center lock technology to secure all 4 legs in a single action, paired with pinch-free height adjustment buttons. The frame is alloy steel, designed to withstand distributed loads up to 120 pounds, and the fabric is a 150D silver-coated canopy with UPF 50+ protection and CPAI 84 flame resistance. The package includes a wheeled stow-and-go storage bag, stakes, guy ropes, netting, and weight bags, which supports quick deployment and transportation. Notably, the model emphasizes wind and water resistance with waterproof ceiling tape and removable nets for pest control. Price is not listed in the provided data, so value assessment is contingent on current market pricing. Performance-wise, the 13 by 13 footprint provides ample space for 8 to 14 people, depending on furniture layout, with a high interior clearance for tall guests or standing service. The center lock mechanism and pre-assembled frame suggest rapid setup by 2 people, reducing the typical pop-up fatigue. However, Crown Shades cautions users to anchor securely and to avoid unattended use in heavy wind or rain, which aligns with common canopy guidelines. The inclusion of weight bags and netting enhances versatility for breezy conditions and bug protection, though the absence of integrated rain gutters means users should still consider site drainage and positioning relative to prevailing wind. The heavy 45.2-pound weight and large storage bag are positives for transport, but storage conditions and vehicle space should be planned when this model is folded.
List number 2. Crown Shades Gazebo 10 by 10 pop-up canopy with mosquito netting. This 10 by 10 gazebo focuses on rapid setup with an 8-way central locking system and a single push mechanism, complemented by 4 stake bases, 4 sandbags, and a wheeled bag for transport. Fabric is 300D Oxford with interior silver coating delivering UPF 50+ protection and CPAI 84 fire resistance. It features auto-deploy air vents for ventilation, detachable mesh walls with dual-sided zippers for bug protection, and a weather-ready design that discourages wind lift with fast clip technology securing canopy edges. The kit covers accessories that support diverse use cases from backyard relaxing to market stalls. In practice, the mesh walls and auto vents improve airflow and comfort in warm weather, while the option to remove mesh walls allows open-air events. The 10 by 10 footprint is ideal for intimate gatherings of 6 to 8 people, making it a versatile choice for patios and markets. The reinforced frame and corrosion-resistant bronze coating on the steel legs enhance durability in humid climates. However, the product is heavier than some budget options and requires appropriate anchoring. Users should note the 4% water resistance label. While waterproof is advertised, the package implications suggest water resistance with managed rain sessions rather than full waterproof performance in downpours.
List number 3. Gazebo privacy curtains 10 feet by 10 feet with PVC windows. This entry from Aoneer is a 10 feet by 10 feet privacy curtain set designed as a sidewall accessory for canopy structures. It uses PVC windows across 4 panels with zippers, enabling adjustable privacy and airflow while maintaining visibility when desired. The product is described as a replacement or enhancement for privacy and shade, emphasizing UV resistance and no assembly requirement with a khaki color and a relatively light 12.36-pound footprint. It is positioned as a budget-oriented upgrade for privacy-conscious buyers who already own a suitable gazebo. In use, these privacy curtains are most beneficial when paired with a compatible canopy frame, providing privacy, shade, and insect barrier, in addition to ventilation via the PVC windows. The setup is straightforward since it requires no assembly. You simply attach to the frame. Potential drawbacks include the need for a compatible rail system or track on the canopy to install the sidewalls, as well as limited air control if windows are closed. Given its price point of $139.99, it represents a budget-oriented upgrade for privacy-conscious buyers who already own a suitable gazebo.
List number 4. Crown Shades 13 by 13 pop-up gazebo with mosquito nettings. This 13 by 13 model expands on the 13 by 13 line with a 6-sided perimeter, featuring 6 legs and a center lock technology for rapid setup. The fabric is a 300D silver-coated material, delivering UPF 50+ and 95% UV protection, with water-repellent properties and CPAI 84 flame resistance. The product includes versatile side screens that can close to block bugs while preserving airflow or be removed for an open room feel. The kit adds a heavy-duty bag with wheels, 6 stakes, and 6 guy ropes, along with removable nettings and weight bags for stability. Performance-wise, the 6-sided design increases internal space and airflow while improving wind resistance through added anchor points. The fabric's sturdier 300D weave should resist wear from sun and drizzle more effectively than lighter fabrics. The side screens are a standout feature for users who frequently deal with bugs. Removal is straightforward for unfiltered outdoor experiences. The main caveat is size and weight. At 58 pounds and larger dimensions, this gazebo is less portable than smaller 10 by 10 models and requires sufficient storage space and transport capacity.
List number 5. Crown Shades 13 by 13 pop-up gazebo. This 13 by 13 pop-up gazebo offers a similar footprint to the gray variant, but in a red and gray colorway. It shares the same 13 by 13 canopy with 169 square feet of shade and a stacked frame design intended for quick setup using the center lock mechanism and pinch-free height adjustments. The included STO-NG wheeled bag and 8 stakes with 4 guy ropes, along with 4 removable nettings and 4 weight bags, frame a full-featured kit designed for consumer convenience and transport. The fabric remains 150D silver-coated with UPF 50+ and CPAI 84 compliance, with wind and water management features like waterproof sealing tape. In practice, the red and gray version offers the same performance as the gray variant, with strong shade, robust UV protection, and a straightforward setup process. The broader implication is consistent. The model is well suited for families hosting outdoor gatherings or vendors needing dependable shade with easy transport. The color option provides a visual choice for users who want a more vibrant setup. The cons focus on overall portability for larger 13 by 13 frames and the need to anchor in windy environments to prevent movement.